Hello and welcome to Google Sites tutorial video today for EDT 180 students at ASU that have Professor War or anything really. Um, yeah, so welcome pretty much to find Google Sites. I already have a tab open, but to normally find it, you can either type it using Google Sites. See, I already have it in. You can do that, or you can do here. So normally you want to be signed in. So right now I'm signed in my ASU email, and you can find it in the middle section right here. You can click on that, and then bing, bang, boom. You can do sites. Well, oh, this goes to default my thing, so I got to revert that back. But I ended up already making one here, so we can go into this one, and then just kind of I'll explain kind of the way it works and everything. But yeah, so first off, it'll start you off like this when you create one. It'll be blank. It'll just be this and then emptiness. And so pretty much you can, if you look to the side here, you can add text box, images, you can embed things. So here I embedded my Power Up Google Slides presentation into this. You can also change the layout of things of how the way you want it to look. But yeah, you can also preview it. You can link and you can share with others. So normally you have publish, so you can publish options. You can change settings. Like this is going to be my so this is gonna be my link, and then I can customize the after the slash. I can customize what I want. So normally, like you can put it as my thing was Alcatraz Escape. So say you're doing something else, you're doing something for a business that you sell flowers on. You can do Isabella's flowers, something like that, and then you can change it to request public search engines to not display my site. So that pretty much means if someone searches up Isabella's flowers, it won't show up on the site if you like click it. So request public search engines to not display my site. So this pretty much means, like I said before, if they search up Isabella's flowers, it won't come up if they have like the Google sites in front. But yeah. And so pretty much you can publish it, and then this will, well, I've already published it once, so I can't unless I do a change on it. But yeah, so that's kind of the main basis of the start of the site. Now if I go back and I create a new one, this will be a little bit better of explaining kind of thing. So you can enter your site name, you can add a logo, you can go to analytics, wheel toolbar, navigation. So you can have the top, you kind of more of like a slide. Maybe you want a white, maybe you want a black, or maybe you want a transparent. Make it look really nice. So yeah, so that kind of just changes little things like that. So you can change your title the way you want it. You want large, you want cover, like the full cover and stuff. But yeah, so you can change it to anything you really want. You can embed. So normally, like if I want to do embed a YouTube video, I can put in the YouTube video here, and then it'll insert it. So let's actually do that right now. I'll go to my YouTube and I'll grab the Audacity video. So if we go to here, so we'll just grab this one. Here, and then if I can do, where is the, you know what, I just go like this, bing bang boom, getting stuff done. Okay, and then now if I want to embed URL here, there, it'll find the video, then I can hit insert, and then boom, got the video there. And then I can name this, you can change it to whatever you want. Audacity for beginners, for beginners. I can't spell English. Fun fact, I almost failed my first English class here at ASU, but we're chilling with a B at the end of the semester, so I didn't fail it. But yeah. Anyways, so yeah, this is kind of how you embed things. You just copy the link. Um, Make sure before you embed any YouTube videos or anything that you get the um owner's permission to do so, unless it's your own work, so you don't get copyright striked. That happened to me on my first YouTube video. So yeah, um, make sure not to do that, and yeah, just don't be dumb about it. Yeah, so that's kind of what you can do. You can also trash it if you wanted to, so I can share with others. So going on to sharing, so say you have a group that was working on a website, you can change it to draft restricted, or you can publish at Arizona State University. So when you publish it, anyone at ASU can find it, kind of a thing if they have it. And then this is anyone with link for draft. So this is before you publish it. So it's restricted right now to only people that um, only people added can have the link. So I haven't shared it with anybody yet, but I can add people to it. So we'll just go with um, uh, Adam Morris Vic. Okay, this is a random person. We're not going to notify him. We're not actually going to send it to him. But then you can go over here. You can go published viewer, editor, kind of a thing. So you can add them that way too. Yeah, like I said before, you can also have it here to where it's ASU. Anyone in this group with the link can edit. So in that way, you can just send them the link, and it's a little bit easier. You don't have to like individually like share it with them. Um, but yeah, so that's kind of how the links work and everything. And then you can also pick different themes. So you can pick different colors, all kinds of different backgrounds. You can have like a nice like a little outdoor desk kind of a feel. The world map in the back. This is my personal favorite. But yeah, so you can add pages, filter pages, and everything. So yeah, you can also duplicate pages, and then for the preview, so this is what your website will look like when you pretty much publish it. So yeah, that's all for today's video of Google Sites, and I think yep, that's it. Oh, also too, you can do the document name. Always change this to whatever you want. So that way you can always find it. So like if you have multiple sites for multiple classes or projects or anything, they're not just all going to be undocumented, kind of a thing. Then you're like, oh, I don't know what this one is. Let's roll the lottery, hope it's the right one. So yeah, always make sure you do that. And that should be the last thing on the bucket list of Google Sites and how to use it. Um, Welcome to the end of the video. If you're here, yeah, thank you.